Welcome back to another video on my channel, and in this video guys I am going to show you guys how I make my fried dumpling. So I have already put the flour in here and I'm going to put in my butter chiffon. Well, I normally scrape it like this. And I think that's enough. My baking powder. So I don't really use measurement, I just throw, tell my mind say yes, that's it. So I already wash my hands, so my hands are clean. And
you put salt in it?
Yes, I put salt in it already. Look at my fingernails, they are properly cut and clean. Yes, so when you are making dumpling, you're supposed to cut your fingernails. So I am rubbing in the butter now. And I know some people don't use butter, but to me the butter give it a nice little taste to it, so I normally use my butter. If I am going to make fried dumpling and I don't have my butter, I don't want to do it. So guys, I'm finished kneading my flour, so this is the dough. I am going to let it set for a while, then I am going to make them, put them in the pot. So see you soon, bye. So people, after a couple minutes of waiting on my dough, this is how it looks smooth, ain't it? So I am going to roll it out like this and I'm going to make my little dumpling. So, all right. The pot is on the stove, you know, the oil hot. So this is how I'm going to do I'm not going to make them round. I am going to put them in the pot now, peeps. So the oil, I turn down the stove. It's okay, it don't have to be hot. I turn down the stove, so soon as I finish put them in, I am going to give it back a little more heat, you know. So this small pot here, I like to use it. It is my favorite pot in the house to use. Anything you cook in it or fry in it always come out good. So let me fix them. So I just turn them. Look at them. Them look a little bit fat. I mean, I normally look when I dumpling them big. But the second batch that I am going to put in, they are smaller.
Perfect dumpling, man.
And dumpling them. The way I say.
Eat one way, huh? Them not big.
Well, them big to me. Normally, I don't make them so big. I don't love when them big so either. But that's okay. So guys, I finished frying my dumplings. Look at them. Yeah, soft. Yes, so don't watch little burst that is on them, because a lot of time you fry dumpling, them have the little burst. That's minor. so that's not a problem. You only want most of them fry good, them taste good, and them not tough. Yes. So guys, if you want to see the rest of the video, you can go over to Nicole channel at Home and Garden Fix and Tricks to see he's preparing what it's called, pop choy. Yeah, pop choy and saltfish, guys. So you can go and check out his channel. So thank you. So guys, if you have come this far in the video, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Rootsgirl channel. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Bless.